Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are diving into an introduction to Python, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Let's explore why Python has become a favorite for so many developers. First, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It's well known for its easy to read syntax, making it perfect for beginners and experienced developer alike. Why should you learn Python? Well, Python is a straightforward to learn and has a large supporting community. It also comes with a wealth of libraries and frameworks that simplify coding. Most importantly, Python is highly demanded in various industries, opening up numerous career opportunities. Python's key features include simplicity, allowing for clean and understandable code. It's also incredibly versatile, used for web development, data analysis, AI, and more. Its portability means Python code can run on multiple platforms, and it has extensive libraries for almost any task. Python's versatility makes it suitable for different areas. In web development, frameworks like Django and Flask are popular. In data science and machine learning, libraries like Pandas and TensorFlow dominate. Python is also used for automation, helping developers write script to automate repetitive tasks. Did you know that major companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram use Python? Its efficiency and flexibility make it a top choice for tech giants worldwide. Getting started with Python is easy. Visit python.org to download and install Python. You can use IDEs like PyCharm, VS Code, or even Jupyter Notebook for a more interactive experience. I recommended starting with a simple project to build your confidence. I hope this overview gave you some insight into why Python is so important and how it can be beneficial for your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. See you in the next video.